Hello class, I hope everyone is having a good day when they start watching this video. I just wanted to explain what our Wonder Walk is and try to just give you guys a video of what I am expecting you guys to do for this activity. So when you open up the classroom, you will see this link to our Jamboard. We've done Jamboards before. And so the way it works is our first page is just telling us what it looks like. So this, the idea behind a Wonder Walk is to have you guys kind of discover, kind of explore these new topics we're going to learn about before I actually give you guys the information. So I hope it can start making your brains work and having you guys have questions and wonders before I give you the information. So how it'll work is we'll have 6 different slides that we'll go through, and I want you to spend about 5 minutes on each slide thinking about it or working on the exercise, and then sometimes there'll either be just some exercises to do. I have a video in one and a couple pictures in the other. So I just want you guys to know there's no right answer. There's no correct way to do these, right or wrong. I want you guys to just do your best, and this is just about getting us started. So the way it's going to work is our 6 different slides you can see by clicking this arrow on the top, next. So it'll take us to the next one. So we're at 1 of 7 right now. This will be slide 2 of 7 because we start here. You can also expand it and look at all of them this way. So if you either have it like this, it's condensed. If you want to expand it, our next slide is here. So we can either click on it like that and collapse it, or just click through. I think just clicking through the arrows is easier. The way it works is if there's a question I want you guys to answer, I have posted a sticky note that says answer. So what I want you to do is click on it and then change whatever you want your answer to be. So this first one, for example, says, what unit do you use to measure your height? So for me, I use feet and inches, for example. So then we're just going to change our sticky note and it goes back to where it was. There's a couple more questions on here. This one says, please write 2 to 3 sentences on your thoughts. I have noticed that our sticky notes will only let us write so many letters. So if that happens, please just make another sticky note on the left side. You guys can add your own sticky note. So if you run out of words in one sticky note, please put another. One special thing with this, it says rank the following measurements. So I want you to put the longest one on the left side. So if you think centimeters is the longest, I want you to put it here. But maybe you think the inches is the next longest, and then the meter like this. I want you to do it that way. Just whatever you think the longest to be on the left and the shortest to be on the right. This next slide has some math. So I gave you guys an example over here on how this works. I think you guys have done finding the volume of a cube or a rectangular prism before in math, but if you haven't, here's an example. And then I want you to find the volume of the following cube. So this one where the side is 3 by 3 by 3, and this one, both these pictures are 1 by 1 by 1. So 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, or 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. You guys can just put your answers in these 2 sticky notes. This one has an answer, just a question to get you guys thinking about how to measure volume of something that isn't a nice little square, and then a video to watch as well on how this would work. This one has quite a few just different things to think about. I have a question here. It's about your weight changing. This one is you have to do a little bit of math, different calculations. Another calculation one, and then this is just a thought. So just something to think about. Some more things just to think about, and then again, another just thought question to get you thinking about mass. And then we finally have a density column. One Again, 1 to 2 sentences here. If you need another sticky note, please use more. I want to hear everything you guys are thinking. And then here is a small little YouTube link that I want you to copy paste into the tab on the top, and then answer the question, why are there distinct layers? So for the videos, all you have to do is copy and paste like that, and then it'll pop up. I'm sure you guys know how to do that by now. Other than that, I think that's all I wanted to show you. Again, there's no right answers. I just want to hear your ideas, so please just let me know what you think. And I look forward to reading your answers.